Percentages confused me for years. Not because I was bad at math. I was missing one idea. It took me almost 10 years to realize it. I'll teach it to you in 4 minutes. By the end, you'll solve percentages calmly without panic, and without a calculator. Before we continue, quick question. What does percent actually mean? Drop your answer in the comments. Percent simply means out of 100. So, when you see 25%, it just means 25 out of 100, which is the same thing as 25 over 100. Alright, let's start with level 1. 10%. The easiest percentage there is. 10% of 60? Just move the decimal one place to the left. That's it. The answer is 6. Let's try an odd number. 10% of 89. Same rule. Move the decimal one place to the left. The answer is 8.9. That's faster than blinking. Now don't leave. We're moving to level 2. 15%. Here's the secret. We're not learning a new trick. We're just reusing the 10% trick. So let's try this. What is 15% of 200? Step 1. Find 10%. Move the decimal. That gives us 20. Now here's where it clicks. 5% is just half of 10%. Half of 20 is 10. Now we combine them. 10% plus 5%. 20 plus 10. That's 30. So 15% of 200 is 30. Nothing scary. Let's lock it in with one more. 15% of 440. 10% is 44. Half of that is 22. Add them together. 44 plus 22 is 66. Alright, let's level up. This is level 3. 20%. And this one is unfair. What's 20% of 70? You already know 10%. 10% of 70 is 7. Now just double it. 7 times 2 is 14. That's faster than you think. Let's try a number people usually panic over. 20% of 82. Yeah, decimals. But don't worry. Same idea. 10% of 82 is 8.2. Double it. 16.4. Same rule. Different number. Alright, we're done with the basics. But don't leave. These next 3 tricks are what actually make you a pro. Let's lock them in. Welcome to level 4. 25%. We're solving this in 2 seconds. What's 25% of 80? Just divide by 4. That's it. 80 divided by 4 is 20. Yeah, that fast. Let's test it again. 25% of 400. Same move. Divide by 4. 400 divided by 4 is 100. Still no calculator. And now, my favorite one. The fastest percentage trick you'll ever learn. Alright, level 5. 50%. This one is almost illegal. What's 50% of 64? Cut in by half. That's it. 64 divided by 2 is 32. Instant. Let's run it again. 50% of 88. Same move. Divide by 2. 88 divided by 2 is 44. You are officially faster than the speed of lightning. Alright, last level. This is the pro move. Level 6. What's 55% of 40? Start with 50%. Half of 40 is 20. Now grab 5%. Move the decimal one place left. That gives us 2. Add them together. 20 plus 2 is 22. One last sprint. 55% of 64. 50% first? That's 32. 5% is 3.2. Add them. 35.2. You're officially dangerous now. And to my viewers, if you made it to the end, I would love to know in the comments. See you in part 2. I'm out.